A quick tutorial on drawing with the grid method. First, download Drawing Grid Maker from the Play Store App Store. Open the image you wish to copy. Change grid to square and size to 14. On your A4 page, measure 5 mm from the side and draw a line down the page. Measure 2 cm increments from that line until you reach the far edge and draw lines down the page. You should have 10 squares across. Next, measure 5 mm from top of page and draw a line across. Then measure 2 cm increment from this line to bottom of page. You should end up with 14 squares down. Using your reference from the app, pick a starting point. I chose the head. Count your squares in and down to where you want to start. Create your sketch. Once you're happy, outline with ink. This next step is optional. I use a light box, but brightly lit window will also work. Overlay a clean page on top of sketch and use ink liner to create a clean drawing. Once happy, move to color. Lightly block in where each color goes, then gradually build up the color to get your desired effect. Continue this throughout your drawing, doing small sections at a time. Most important, take your time and be patient. Happy drawing!